You tell me what to do? Really? You will tell me what I should be doing the entire day? I mean, no one controls my life. But today you do. Hi, you guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever let someone control your life? Have you ever felt like not making decisions for yourself? Have you? Because I am feeling that way today and I don't want to take any decisions of what I do today. And I will let my Insta family decide and control my life for today. That sounds amazing and that sounds scary, but I hope it turns out good and it's interesting. I'm gonna leave polls on my Instagram and check them after 10 to 15 minutes to know what you guys want me to do. And let's get started. Okay, so I did put my first poll out on Instagram and I'm gonna wait for like 10 minutes now, 10 to 15 minutes to see how you guys, what you guys choose and what you guys decide. But I want to show you how beautiful these girls look. So my first poll is about should I do a face mask, like the normal creamy face mask, or I should do a sheet mask because I need to look good. Okay, so it's almost 10 minutes I've been waiting. Let's see what the poll shows, what you guys have decided. Clearly, face mask is winning. Yeah. So let's do face mask. Okay, so I'm back. While I was taking a bath and doing the mask thing, I had put up a poll asking what makeup should I go for today. As I told you, I was praying that you guys choose natural because I wanted to go natural. तुम्हें कैसे पता चलेगा कैसे मेकअप करोगे? Natural या glam? लगना तो same ही है ना? And clearly, naturals winning because 62% of you said natural. I love you all. Thank you so much. Okay, so now I'll go and do my natural makeup. Before I go and change, I put up another poll which is stay home or go out. I just put it like 29 seconds back. I have a meeting to attend at 1 now and I will be going and attending that meeting. And then until then, I would know what you guys want me to do and then I can plan something and go out. If you choose go out because I've done so much of makeup, you need to choose go.
बाहर जाने दो ना. हाँ, इतनी प्यारी सी लड़की हॉट बनकर बाहर नहीं जा सकती क्या? प्लीज जाने दो, प्लीज.
Okay, so I've waited for a longer time than expected. I just got busy with something. We have to check what you guys have voted. Breakfast. So it was coffee and tea. You guys voted 65% of you voted for coffee. So let's go and make some coffee. Dory? Okay, so I'm clearly having coffee now because you guys decided coffee. I'm still waiting for the part where you decide when I go out because I want to go out and I have a few meetings now that I have to attend. So I'm gonna go and attend those meetings and come back right to you with the results of should I go out or not.
One eternity later.
Finally, I am done with the meeting. I just was literally caught in the meeting. I want to check what the poll says about me going out or not. Please, I wanted to be go out. So I'm gonna cheat on this one. I'm really sorry because I want to go out and I'm just gonna change and come back right here. So let's just change. Yay! I so love this outfit. I don't know if you can see. Let me just move this side. But this is like a set from Panjayai. I think that's how we pronounce it. Chal. but I love it. I mean, it is so cool. Thanks for choosing comfy, guys. I love you. Thank you for choosing comfy. I love this outfit. Also, I'm going out because I want to and I will. I'm just sorry that I didn't listen to that part of you guys. But I want to go out. I mean, I said that I won't go out, but I have to because I want to. I'm all dressed to go out because I told you that I am going to cheat on this one because I want to go out. I am quite confused of I should wear these clips or not. So I'm going to leave a poll now because yeah, I want to do something different to my hair today. So I'll just go now and put a poll if I should wear these clips or not. I head out because I wanted to. But I'm taking all precautions and yeah, super excited for this day. I had to step out and I told you guys that एक चीज़ मैं cheat करूँगी और I just put a poll about should I wear clips or not. Now let's check if you guys have voted for it. Yeah. Okay, so it was with hair clip or without hair clip. 60% of you said with hair clip, so let's wear the hair clip now. Okay, so you guys voted for Oberoi Mall clearly, and here we are at Oberoi. I mean, after ages. Let me just show you that you voted for it. I'm not lying. I'm at Oberoi, Oberoi, Oberoi. Yeah, you see it? See? Which mall? Oberoi Mall. So we are at Oberoi Mall. Now let's just go inside. Okay, so we are inside the mall now. There are quite few people in the mall. I mean, there are people. Okay, so we're going to go to Zara first and check out stuff there. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going to check stuff in Zara. And I will do a poll about who pays the bill. Okay, so we are in Zara and I wanted to get perfumes. These are the collections here. I love them. But I am confused between two of them. The two perfumes that I'm confused in right now. I love this packaging and I love the smell of this one. Actually, I like both the smell, but I love this. I want you guys to choose this. I don't know if you guys will choose it, but I'm going to do a poll right now. And see which one you decide. Okay, so we left the poll a while back and now let's check. It's 50-50. Oh my god, guys. But actually, if you check, it's 66 and 63. So I will go for the neon one because I'm a fan of neon perfume. Okay, bye. So you guys chose the neon one and I'm glad you did because I also wanted that one. But now we are billing, so I'm gonna leave another poll where you guys decide who pays the bill. So give me. Let's do the poll.
Her, please.
Okay. So let's put the poll. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Please. I don't want to pay the bill, okay? बिल तो यही देगा. तू ही देगा बेटे. तू ही देगा. Yay! Yeah! Thank you. Yay. How does it feel?
I'm doing what I'm doing.
Hi, so we are done with shopping and paying the bill. So now I'm going to put a poll on Instagram of what should we eat.
But this time you are paying.
खाने का बिल चल मैं दे देती हूँ वैसे अगर वीडियो देख के जज करने लगे तो
Yeah, I'm
Or should I?
paying. You can pay if you want to.
Let them decide. Not you.
No, not again, not again.
Let them decide.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put a poll now asking what we should be eating. Should it be McDonald's or Domino's? Okay guys, we were searching for Domino's because most of you voted for Domino's. 52% of you said Domino's and the other said 48% said McDonald's. But Domino's is shut. We tried to search for 3 Domino's around in this area, but it is shut. You can see it. So we have no option other than going for McDonald's. So we'll have McDonald's now.
A few moments later.
McDonald's! So today I am having the big spicy chicken wrap and he's having the paneer wrap. Yeah. So yeah, I always have like Mac spicy chicken, but today I thought of having this wrap because I am tired of that burger patty and I don't want to have that. And he is having this because it's Tuesday, so he's having paneer. Okay, so I've put up a poll now for where to go next. We were thinking Carter's or Bandstand. We don't want to go to Marine Drive because it's too far and I'm already tired, he's tired. So yeah, so I've done a poll right now for Bandstand or Carter Road. So let's see what you guys decide. Until then, we're just gonna have our wraps and see you later. अभी जस्ट हमने सलमान सर का घर पास किया. वो थोड़ा बिजी थे आज इसीलिए हमसे मिले नहीं. बट हम शाहरुख सर से मिलने वाले अभी. बस वहीं है शाहरुख, सामने ही है. हाय हाय
ये है.
हाय शाहरुख.
ये है.
हाय. मुझे बताना जब नेक्स्ट हम शूट करने आएंगे तो हम घर के अंदर मिलेंगे. अभी फिलहाल हमें बाहर मिलना पड़ रहा है. हाय शाहरुख. हाय. खिड़की पर तो दिख जाओ. हाँ. नहीं एक्चुअली से बुलाया है मुझे. बाद में मिलूंगी मैं उससे. अभी थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे ही यू नो मैं बस एक्टिंग कर रही थी. अभी उसने बुलाया है. सच में बुलाया ना. हाँ, बस बुलाया है. सी बुलाया है. ठीक है, डोंट लिसन टू हिम. ट्रस्ट मी, बुलाया है. बट दिस इज सो प्रिटी. वाओ. Thanks for choosing Bandstand. I mean, I have wanted to come to Bandstand, so thank you. So I just wanted to do a quick story time here. I remember when I was a kid, और पापा ने नई नई गाड़ी ली थी तो वी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज एवरी संडे हम बैंड्रा आते थे, बैंडस्टैंड आते थे एवरी सैटरडे संडे. और यहाँ धूप नहीं है, थोड़ा आगे रहना पड़ेगा थोड़ा लाइटिंग के लिए ना. ओके, सो when I was young, I was around, you know, I was young. I don't know what year, but I was young. तो तब पापा ने नई नई गाड़ी ली थी and we used to come to Bandstand every day, almost every day, every alternate days, but mostly every Saturday and Sunday. और यहाँ पे इसी रोड पे यहाँ पे कहीं एक चने वाला रहता था, जो वो मसाला चना बनता है वो बनाता था, and we used to have it, and it was our family thing. We used to every alternate day come to Bandstand. थोड़ा यहाँ बैठ के हम टाइम पास करते थे, कुछ खाते थे, थोड़े फोटोज लेते थे. And one time I remember, before we had a car, my dad had a bike, और हम उस पे, me and my sister used to come with him, और मैं आगे की टंकी पर बैठती थी. And I remember there was this girl, a young, एक भिखारी थी, तो she came to us and she looked at me and she said, "Hey, Butli heroine!" And I was so happy by that, because when I got home I was like, wow, मुझे किसी ने heroine बोला, and I never thought that I would actually want to be one when I grow up. So that's one thing that is in my mind since I was like 7-8, I think, and even my family thinks about it sometimes, because someone did actually tell me a Butli heroine. So yeah, that's like one story that I wanted to share with you guys, because this place has a lot of memories. Yeah, that's all. So I'm gonna chill here for a while and then see you guys. Hi guys, so I am home, and my last option was order fried rice or cook at home, something. But as I am not at my own place, and I am at friend's place, I can't cook for myself. I'm super tired, so I don't want to cook, and I'm gonna cheat on this one as well. So I'll order some food. Sorry. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I loved it when you guys controlled my day, and I will be more active on YouTube with more such videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're new here, do hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video, and lots of love.